Hello, this is Michael Perlman, and today I'm going to show you my automated salt spreader project for robotics. The goal of this project was to design a robot that can travel along the surface and drop salt where it sees snow or ice, which in the winter are very dangerous conditions. And we don't want to go out and do that ourselves because we might slip. So the implementation of this project included an Arduino Uno, which is a very affordable microcontroller board. On the back of that I have a custom soldered prototype board. In the middle of it is an infrared thermometer for determining the surface temperature, an IR light sensor, a luminosity sensor for determining the infrared light reflected off the surface, and an IR LED to provide a light source during the night or in low light conditions. And during the day we can use natural light. Connected to the Arduino is also the servo, which spins the handle on a handheld spreader. And the spreader is filled with calcium chloride pellets, which is pretty much the heaviest material that you can use in this particular spreader. Things like rock salt will cause it to jam up a lot more easily. So I'm going to show you how this works. Every second or so, the Arduino is taking a reading, and you see the light pulsing there. That means it's sending it back to the computer for monitoring, but now you see that it's taking readings, but it's not actually doing anything. Like the spreader is just sitting still. So I'm going to take the Arduino and put it on top of the ice here, and you can see the spreader is attempting to turn. So, as I said, right now it jams up a bit, but future versions of the project will use a stronger servo motor, and the sensing mechanism for this is imperfect because during the daytime in the winter you could have a frozen sidewalk, and a few feet away from that you could have frozen ice, which will both read at below freezing, below 0 degrees Celsius, but they may also have the same IR profile. So that's something to continue working on in the future. But for now, we've shown that you can detect the presence of ice and instruct a spreader to drop salt on it.